हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th इंग्लिश का असाइनमेंट सेमेस्टर 2 पार्ट 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 5 to 6 सेंटेंसेस। चैप्टर नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इस वीडियो में हम लोग आपको सॉल्यूशन भी प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं, तो अगर आप चाहो तो यहाँ से लिख सकते हो सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर डिड मार्गी एंड टॉमी हैव। आंसर है आपका, Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teacher and they would have their lessons from their homes. The mechanical teacher would regularly give them online lessons and give and check homework and even take a regular test. Second number, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer है, as the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick, Margie was not able to cope up with the speed and so she was doing badly in this subject. The county inspector slowed it up to an average 10 years level, bringing relief to Margie and her parents. Third number, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school and teachers? Answer, according to the Tommy, old kind of schools were there hundreds and hundreds of years ago. They had a man teacher who taught the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked questions. They had a big building where all kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. They can even talk about their studies and help each other in homework. According to Tommy, old kind of teachers where men would not go personally to the students' home, but they would teach in a regulated class of a school. चैप्टर नंबर 1 खत्म होता है। नेक्स्ट आते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चंस। Question number 1, who helped Alvin to continue with music? What did he do and say? Answer है, Alvin was discouraged by her teacher, but master personist Rob Forbes spotted her talent and potential. He guided Alvin to feel music some other way rather than tearing it. He got 2 large drums and tuned them to different notes. Alvin realized that she could feel and higher notes produced by one of the drums through the upper part of the body above the waist and the lower notes of the other drum through the lower part of his body below the waist. Alvin found that she could sense different waves, sounds and vibration through different part of her body. Second number, name the various places and causes for which Alvin performs. Answer है, other than being a successful performer, much acclaimed throughout the globe, Alvin is a very down-to-earth person who cares for welfare and well-being of the less privileged persons. Also, other than touring United Kingdom on her youth and regular concerts, she performs for free in prisons and hospitals. थर्ड नंबर आता है, हाउ इज अ सहनाई डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ पुंगी। आंसर है, पुंगी इज अ wind instrument consisting of a reservoir into which air is blown and channeled into which two reed pipes. Whereas sehnai is longer than pungi with 7 holes on the body of the pipe. When the musician plays on it, closing and opening some of the holes, soft and melodious sound is produced. According to Aurangzeb, pungi had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Next आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, where did Bismillah Khan place the Sehnai on 15th August 1947 and why was the event historic? Answer, India got independence on 15th August 1947 and naturally it was a historical event for every Indian to be proud of, and the main function of heralding India's independence was held at the Red Fort in the Delhi, and here Ustad Bismillah Khan played Sehnai in front of the big and august audience which included Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next chapter number 4 में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आता है, what did Einstein called his desk drawer and at the patent office? Why? Answer है, Einstein from his very young age had his mind for science and he kept developing new theories. He would develop his own ideas in secret during his office hours and keep those important papers in his office drawer, which he called as Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Now question number 2 आता है, how did Einstein react to the bombing of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki? आंसर है when Americans secretly developed their own atomic bomb and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, Einstein was deeply saddened by the extent of the destruction. He wrote a public missive to the United Nations in which they proposed the formation of the world government. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, गिव रीजन बेस्ड ऑन द टेक्स्ट. फर्स्ट है कि आइंस्टाइन लिविंग द स्कूल इन म्यूनिच फॉर गुड. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि आइंस्टाइन वेटिंग टू स्टडी इन स्विट्जरलैंड रेदर देन इन म्यूनिक. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है आइंस्टाइन सीइंग इन मिलेवा एंड एली. आंसर है फर्स्ट का आंसर आएगा स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन एट स्कूल. सेकंड का आंसर है लिबरल एटमॉस्फेयर और थर्ड का आंसर है लाइक आइंस्टाइन मिलेवा आल्सो disapproved of the Philistines, those who disliked the art, literature of the music. तो यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर नंबर 2 भी ओवर होता है. नेक्स्ट आता है अब आपका चैप्टर नंबर 4 ओवर होता है. नेक्स्ट आता है चैप्टर नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वेर अब्दुल कलाम स्कूल फ्रेंड एंड व्हाट डिड दे लेटर बिकम. आंसर है अब्दुल कलाम 3 क्लोज स्कूल फ्रेंड्स इन चाइल्डहुड. फर्स्ट है रामानंद शास्त्री, सेकंड थे अरविंदन और थर्ड थे शिव प्रकाशन. रामानंद टूक ओवर द priesthood of the Rameswaram temple. Arvinder went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shiv Prakashan became catering contractor for the Southern Railways. Second number, how does the author describe his father and his mother. Answer है first his father. Abdul described his father as tall and handsome. He would neither much formal education nor much wealth, yet he possessed great wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. और मदर को उन्होंने डिस्क्राइब किया था कि हर मदर वॉज एन आइडियल हेल्पमेट. शी वॉज काइंड, शी यूज्ड टू फीड मैनी पुअर आउटसाइड. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हाउ डज मिस्टर APJ Abdul Kalam describe himself and which characteristics has he inherited from her parents. The answer है Abdul describes himself as a short boy with rather undistinguished look. Abdul say that he was inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father and faith in goodness and deep kindness from his mother. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 7 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट शोज संतोष कॉन्सर्न फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट. आंसर है माउंट एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस. शी वॉज ऑल्सो ओनली अ माउंटेनियर बट ऑल्सो एन एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट. शी प्रूव्ड इट बाय कलेक्टिंग एंड ब्रिंगिंग down 500 kilogram of garbage from the Himalayas. It showed her love toward the environment and her country. Second number, कंपेयर एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट संतोष एंड मारिया सारापोवा स्ट्रगल्स एंड अचीवमेंट्स. आंसर है संतोष यादव के बारे में. तो संतोष यादव के जो हम्बल बिगनिंग थी वो इस तरह से शुरू हुई थी कि शी वॉज बॉर्न इन द स्मॉल विलेज ऑफ जोनियावास ऑफ रिवारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन हरियाणा. सेकंड है कि उनके पेरेंट्स के अप्रोच जो है शी गॉट प्रेशराइज्ड टू गेट मैरिड एट द एज ऑफ ओनली 16 years एंड हर पेरेंट्स रिफ्यूज टू पे हर एजुकेशन. थर्ड पॉइंट है कि मेंटल टफनेस, कि फ्रॉम द एवरी बिगिनिंग शी वॉज क्वाइट डिटरमाइंड दैट इफ शी चूज अ करेक्ट एंड अ रेशनल पाथ देन अदर अराउंड हर हैड टू चेंज, नॉट हर. अगर हम मारिया सारापोवा के बारे में लिखे तो मारिया सारापोवा की जो हम्बल बिगनिंग थी वो दी सेरेबियन बॉर्न टीनेजर से, और उनके पेरेंट्स की अप्रोच थी कि हर फादर टुक हर टू फ्लोरिडा US. हर मदर हैड टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम her for 2 years and her father was working as much as he could to keep her tennis training going. On third hand, mental toughness, so she would have put up with much more humiliation and insult than a steadfastly pursue her dream. Third question, how was Maria trouble her senior players and how did these help her. आंसर है बिकॉज मारिया वॉजन सो यंग. शी यूज टू गो टू बेड एट 8 AM एंड द अदर टेनिस पीपल वुड कम इन एट 11 PM and wake up her and order her to tidy up the room and clean it. Instead of letting and had that depress her, she became more determined and mentally tough. चैप्टर नंबर 9 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज गिराड प्रोफेशन एंड हाउ डू यू नो? आंसर है गिराड इज अ प्ले राइट, सॉरी आई कांट लेट यू हैव द props in time for rehearsal. The sentence was shows that he was a playwright. Second number, who says you will soon stop being smart? Why? Answer है the intruder say the sentence. The intruder say it to frighten him. थर्ड है कि who say that they can't hang me twice? Why? तो आंसर है the intruder say this sentence. Intruder says this to speaker to convey him that it would not be a big deal for him to kill him as he is already wanted for the murder. तो यहाँ पे आपका पार्ट 2 ख़त्म होता है और इसी के साथ आपका ये क्वेश्चन नंबर भी ख़त्म होता है। ठीक है, ठीक। पार्ट 2 में हम लोगों ने पेज नंबर 145 तक कंप्लीट किया है। नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से करने वाले हैं। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए।